Hello and welcome to today's webinar on EnviroKlenz, which provides personal environmental protection for everyone. Just a little about us here at Timilon. We provide advanced chemistry technologies and products for the mitigation of a wide range of toxic and noxious chemicals and odors. We tend to focus in areas where the environments really need to have these chemicals removed and the contamination minimized so that folks can live their lives and enjoy their environments better. So what is the EnviroKlenz system? Well, just to give you a teeny bit of history about why we came to this point with the EnviroKlenz is, we had been dealing with a lot of folks that had been using some of our other products and saying, hey, I'm a chemically sensitive individual. This is a product line that has really, this is a product that has been very helpful for me. So what we started to do is to try to look at multiple chemical sensitivity from the perspective of addressing all the different things within an individual's personal environment space. Those are the air spaces, surfaces, and the content, such as your bedding, your sheets, your laundry. Well, and we started formulating our products and combined them into specific applications to address these things both individually but ideally as a complete system. And it really did come out of working with folks that deal with multiple chemical sensitivities. We wanted to find out, what are the things you do on a daily basis? How do you live your life? How can we really optimize these products and this line of materials to help you out to deal with the chemical pollutants, fragrances that are in your daily life. And as you know, there's a whole host of different types of chemicals. Fragrances can come from, a whole host of things that, artificial chemicals to natural chemicals, but there's a whole host of different chemistries, different functional groups that can affect different folks that are dealing with multiple chemical sensitivity. And EnviroKlenz products are really designed to specifically want to target those types of pollutants and fragrances that commonly are trigger chemicals for folks dealing with these issues. Our technology is a patented technology, and it's based off of using metal oxides. And these metal oxides have an extremely high surface area. Metal oxides inherently can decontaminate chemicals, but what's important here is through our patented process, we're able to make metal oxides that are much more effective, and they're able to go through a process that we call destructive adsorption to actually break down and destroy a whole host of different chemicals and chemical classes. The efficacy of the EnviroKlenz metal oxides can be seen somewhat summed up in this chart very nicely. Here's five different classes of chemicals, and we took that against a common absorbent. That's the types of materials people most think of when you're talking about air filtration or chemical cleanup is things that can absorb chemicals. Well, we took our materials and compared it to a pretty common absorbent, and we found our material is much more effective, and it's extremely effective in all the different classes of chemicals. The first product within our system deals with the airspace. We, of course, in personal environments, we want to minimize as much of the chemical pollutant fragrances as we can. They're, of course, coming from different surfaces, different sources. One of the things we want to do is to be able to treat that airspace. And our EnviroKlenz mobile system utilizes a cartridge and a mobile unit that you can see here. This can be placed in a wide variety of places inside, in the main living areas and bedrooms. And it cycles the air in the room through our cartridge, which has our materials in it, which then can collect and destructively absorb those different chemicals that may be in that environment. We also have a version of the product that can be placed in the home's HVAC system. It's a pleated configuration product, and these two products both can work independently of each other, or they can be utilized at the same time. Perhaps use the HVAC to treat the whole house, and use the mobile system in perhaps like a sleeping quarters or a room where a lot of time is spent. Here's an example of this HVAC system with a mobile unit being used in an individual's home that had parts per billion levels of VOCs that were problematic for her. And we, over a 30-day period, we treated and reduced the parts per billion levels of VOCs that we were detecting down to, less than 0.1 parts per billion. A very effective process, and as you can see in the two main living areas where we primarily took our readings, those levels came down quickly and effectively. The next product is our surface treatments. Our EnviroKlenz Everyday Odor Eliminator can be utilized on carpets, rugs, other soft surfaces, typically those that you would either hot water extract out, so that can even include certain things like couches or upholstered materials. You just apply this product. You can apply it directly or spray it on, extract it out. Very effective at treating surfaces that may be harboring source contamination. The next product is our EnviroKlenz Odor Neutralizer Granules. This can be utilized to pick up and absorb a wide variety of spills, things that are, again, source contamination. Perhaps a child or a pet has an accident and you want to get rid of and neutralize those chemicals and odors. Very fast, very effective product. It can also even be utilized and sprinkled onto carpets to somewhat refresh them. And one thing that's extremely important with all of our products is our products are not putting out any fragrances or added chemicals to the environment. We are trying to neutralize and destructively absorb chemicals and odors without adding anything to the environment. The next component in this system is the contents. And the key product that we now have available is our EnviroKlenz Laundry Enhancer, and we have it available in both liquid and powder versions. It's ideal for, all the clothes, pet bedding, that can harbor odors, blankets, towels, and you can use it along with your favorite detergent. There are no perfumes or fragrances in this product. In fact, this product can be used to remove perfumes and fragrances that you encounter out in the environment or that may be even from detergents themselves. Very fast, very effective, and an extremely popular product for us. And this is actually one of the areas where when we first started developing this line, we had folks that had used other laundry products of ours, and they said, this really works great. I can now travel because I don't have to be worried about using, public laundromats or hotel laundromats because I can utilize this product while I wash my clothes without having to worry about my clothes picking up other fragrances. This product line has been recognized by Deborah Lynn Dadd, who's a consumer advocate in the chemically sensitive environment. She is a believer in it. She's been able to utilize, test, and speak directly with folks that have been able to use these products. It's an extremely effective line of products, and we're proud to be in Deborah's toxic-free program. We've had several customers that have utilized this product since we launched this program, and we just love to hear all these wonderful customer testimonials about some unique situations and perfumes and things that they've been involved in or encountered and how we've really been able to help them out. And we want to thank those folks that have been a believer in this product right from the beginning. And if you have any questions, never hesitate to contact us at Timilon. We can be available online, over the phone, and via email. Thank you.